How much should you actually spend on a CB radio for your truck or Jeep? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cobra HHRT Road Trip. First up is the Cobra HHRT Road Trip CB radio. This handheld radio caught my attention with its sleek design and versatility, priced at $152. If you want a mobile solution that keeps you connected wherever your adventure takes you, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Cobra HHRT 50 features a magnetic mount antenna that ensures a stable connection, which is crucial when you're navigating the open road. With access to 40 channels and a talking range of up to 5 miles, you can communicate effectively without worrying about losing signal. The sound tracker system filters out 90% of the background noise, meaning clearer conversations even in a noisy environment. Plus, the NOAA weather alerts keep you informed about any sudden changes in weather conditions, a must-have for long trips. This radio has already sold over 400 units in the past month, which shows it's a popular choice among fellow road warriors. Now, some people complained about the size and weight. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a compact radio, this might feel a bit bulky in your hand. For me, it's not a deal breaker because I prioritize the features it offers over the weight. This is perfect for you if you're a road trip enthusiast looking for reliable communication and weather updates on the go. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight and portable, but for the price, it delivers value and functionality. Now, if the Cobra HHRT 50's bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more traditional design. Product number 2, Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Next up is the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome AM/FM Professional CB radio, priced at $228.03. Right off the bat, its classic chrome design gives it a timeless look that stands out on any dashboard. If you want a professional-grade radio that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this product special? The Cobra 29 LTD offers both AM and FM channels, which means clearer communication and more channels to choose from, extending your reach up to 30 miles. The ergonomic design makes it intuitive to use, so you won't struggle with complicated controls while driving. Instant access to Channel 9 is a lifesaver for emergencies, and the adjustable receiver sensitivity ensures you're picking up clear signals without all the static. This radio has been a standard in the industry for over 50 years, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, some users have pointed out that it can take a bit of time to calibrate the SWR. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it works like a charm. Calibration is just a one-time hassle for ongoing quality communication. This is ideal for truckers or anyone who frequently drives long distances and needs a dependable radio. If you're looking for a budget option, though, this might not be for you. It's a bit pricier, but you're investing in quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, President Jerry FCC. Now let's check out the President Jerry FCC AM/FM portable radio, which is priced at $176.14. Its compact design and modern features really caught my eye. If you're someone who values portability without sacrificing functionality, this one's worth a serious look. So what does this radio bring to the table? It has a large multifunction LCD display that shows frequencies and S-meters, making it easy to monitor your communication. The built-in weather channels and alerts ensure you're always informed about incoming weather conditions, which is crucial when you're off the beaten path. Plus, the automatic squelch control helps you filter out noise, ensuring clearer conversations. This radio has a solid reputation, especially for those who travel frequently. Now, some users mention that the buttons can be a bit small for larger fingers. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's not a deal breaker, especially with all the other features you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable portable radio for short trips or emergency situations. Skip this one if you prefer larger controls for ease of use. For the price, it's a solid choice for those who are always on the move. Now, if the President Jerry's size didn't do it for you, Let's move on to something even more feature-rich. Product number 4, President George FCC. The next product is the President George FCC AM FM SSB CB radio, priced at $345.94. This radio has a high-end feel, with a large 7-color LCD display that's easy to read. If you want a radio that offers advanced features and customization, this one is worth considering. The noise reduction circuit is a huge plus, as it minimizes unwanted background noise, ensuring your conversations are crisp. The automatic squelch control is an excellent feature that keeps reception clear by adjusting automatically. Also, the USB port allows you to charge your devices on the go. How convenient is that? While pricey, this radio stands out with its advanced capabilities and has a reputation for reliability among users. However, a few users have mentioned the complexity of features can be overwhelming at first, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the deal: once you get the hang of it, the functionality is well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for tech-savvy users or those who want the best in communication tools. Skip this if you want something simple and straightforward. For the features you're getting, the investment can pay off in the long run. If the complexity of the President George was a turn-off, our last option might just be the straightforward answer you're looking for. Product number 5, Uneiden Bearcat 980. Finally, we have the Uneiden Bearcat 980, a powerful 40-channel SSB CB radio. While the price isn't listed, it's priced competitively in the mid-range. This radio caught my attention with its noise-canceling microphone and large display. If you're looking for a reliable radio that prioritizes clear communication, this could be your best bet. So what does it offer? The Bearcat 980 features a noise-canceling microphone that really helps in reducing background noise, making your conversations crystal clear. The illuminated control panel with 7-color display options allows for easy use in any lighting condition, which is great for nighttime driving. You get access to all 40 channels, plus the emergency channel 9, so you're always connected when it matters. The integrated SWR function simplifies antenna matching, which is a huge plus for those who may not be familiar with radio setups. However, some users found the setup process a bit complicated. Here's the thing: while it might take a little time, the performance and clarity you get are well worth the effort. This is perfect for those who demand high-quality communication while on long trips. Skip this if you want something plug-and-play without any setup. For what you pay, you get a robust feature set that enhances your driving experience. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great options for CB radios. The Cobra HHRT50 for portability, the Cobra 29 LTD for classic reliability, the President Jerry for its compact features, the President George for advanced capabilities, and the Uneiden Bearcat 980 for top-notch clarity. Each of these radios has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Happy driving and stay connected.